Hi Aries, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing a November read for you. Aries, these are general collective readings, but will not resonate with all of you. You know that, right? But still, let's see what is the general collective energy that's going to be flowing towards my Aries gang, and what messages are going to show through. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Aries gang and send them the messages they need to hear the most for the month of November. Thank you. Okay, Aries, let's start your reading. And of course, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you. Thank you so much for being here. And Aries, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right. Aries for November. Aries. Oh, 9 of Pentacles, Aries. You are top of your game. Where whatever you're doing, I think you're doing really well. Money is going to be looking really, really good, it seems. You're taking off, I think, for a brand new journey here. This is your current energy. Either you're planning a trip or you're planning some new endeavor. Whatever you're going for, Aries, it's leading you straight to success by yourself. This is not in partnership, though I do see a partnership as well coming up in November. But at the moment, this is some endeavor that you've chosen to, or you've planning to maybe move to something new. I don't know. This is fresh. This is exciting. This could be creative. I don't know what this is, but it's good. It's really good. Maybe in the past there were too many people in your energy, too many voices in your ear, too many fires and whatever they say. You know what I mean, right? There were too many people who were involved in your business, any kind of business, whatever you wanted to do, mom, dad, friends, spouses, you should do it this way, you should do it that way. I think Aries, finally you are saying, me and myself, I make my own decisions, and this is what I've planned to do. So before I clarify these cards and open the rest, Aries, I'm going to start, of course, with our Ganesha Oracle card. I get so excited doing the monthlies because I get to use those. Okay, so it's Lord Ganesha for my Aries gang. What is our blessing for Aries? Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for my Aries gang? Blessing, guidance, thank you. And I'm going to take one angel blessing card as well. Okay, so we have both here, Aries. Let's start with the Ganesha Oracle card. It says drive. I told you, you are moving forward look at this card, it's so beautiful. Sitting on the chariot, Lord Ganesha sitting on the chariot. Okay, so let's read a couple of lines from the book. I know what this means, but the book has some profound messages which kind of surprise me sometimes because they're so beautiful. This is number 14, so number 32. 32 says drive. Confidence as well as unity of purpose and control are desirable. Ganesha urges you to think about getting back to the basics. It's a great time to lighten your load or simplify your life. You may have had a tendency to overextend yourself or overcommit to social activities. Cut back on your schedule so you can zero in on something that you're called to do. This card indicates new motivation or inspiration. See, here it is. If you've been feeling stuck in a situation or in finding a solution, rest assured the energy is going to start moving again. You do not have to choose to go alone on your path. Make sure that if you do bring others with you, that they have the same goals and objectives in mind. Pay attention not to linger in relationships or friendships that are going nowhere or settle just because you feel obligated. This is not a time to be complacent. I told you in the past there were too many people interfering. So even Lord Ganesha is saying, be very mindful of who you're taking along with you on this new path. If you want to create changes in your work, explore what options might be. There might be an increase in finances, but this is not the time to be spending money. Bide your time and prepare for what is coming. This might also indicate that a trip or extended travel is on the horizon. Exactly what the cards said right here, right? So wonderful. Okay, we'll keep this here and let's see what our angel blessing is. Sleep. Yes. Rest up, fairies. I think November is going to be really, really, really exciting for you. So if you have been overextending yourself in the past, this is your past energy, you're moving towards something brand new, gather up your energy. Okay, things are going to go really, really well for you now. So let's put this here and let's see what this Page of Wands is all about. Page of Wands is usually receiving some exciting new message or going off on a creative endeavor or something like that. Page of Wands, Spirit. Why is the Page of Wands here for my Aries gang? Magician. Death in reverse. Okay, Aries, if there was any kind of disruption, if you were not being able to manifest maybe stability in your life or something happened here, maybe there was conflict, there were people fighting for maybe the same thing that you wanted, or people were trying to get into your business and you were not being able to manifest stability, Aries, please know that it's not going to happen. It's not the end. Because right here, right now, you're beginning something so wonderful. This is, again, Page of Wands, Ace of Wands. Right? This cycle had to close down so that this new cycle could begin. And it's not the ending of your stability. It's the ending of these people interfering in your business. Okay. So where did my deck go? Okay, so what happened, Spirit, in the recent past? What's this Five of Wands all about? Five of Wands. See, you had the potential, you were loving, kind, giving, nurturing, you were willing to help everybody, but maybe others were not on the same page with you. You were not getting what you deserved. They were controlling people around you. Maybe people were trying to interfere and direct you to say, do it this way and I like it that way, or just trying to control your life in general, when you were the one who was actually the creative force even in the past. So this time round, I think, Aries, you're being a little mindful and saying, it's me and myself. And I'm going to grow for myself first. And I'm going to be discerning who I allow in my year and who I don't. So what's coming up for Aries, Spirit then? Lovers, what's this? What's the Lovers? One more. What's coming up? Okay, one more. Aries, yes, you are going to be making that choice this time. Like Lovers is also a card of choice, right? So in November, you will be given a choice. How much of yourself are you willing to deplete for others? People who've always kind of put you down, who've always made you feel less than, who've taken away your happiness or your emotional self, who've not invested with you, who've weakened you somehow by telling you stuff or making you feel not good enough. Aries, all that comes to a complete halt and you're in charge. The choice will be yours now in November. So be very mindful who you're taking along. Ace of Wands again. You have to say no to a lot of people, Aries, in November. The choice is in your hands. You are being given a new opportunity here. So be very mindful of the choices that you'll be making. So what else can we expect for November, Spirit, apart from Aries being given a choice as to sleep again? Okay. Choice, Aries. Spirit is, I don't know why, but instead of telling me what we can expect for November, Spirit is again and again giving me the same messages. Please tell Aries to drop or any past baggage, anything that brought conflict into their life. We're giving them a choice. Tell them to rest up. Tell them to rest up. Think long and hard before taking this brand new journey. You don't have to hide anything. Let it be open. Let it be known. If people are feeling hurt, if people from your past are coming and saying, "Hey, me too," and stressing you out, you are going to have the power to make that choice this time. Okay, so be very mindful of the choices you make. Don't be that old self of depleting yourself and being that Queen of Cups and saying, take. Like Spirit says, it's time that you save your money because a lot of big things are coming in your life. So be very discerning who you give to, whether it's your time, whether it's your energy, whether it's your money. So let's see here. What is... Okay, so Spirit, what should Aries hold on to? Page of Pentacles. That you're starting something stable, something new, and it's going to be fresh, it's going to be brand new. After a period of heartbreak, this is the end of pain and end of manipulation. Oh my God. Whoever did you dirty, Aries, I think there is a song like that, but it's in Hindi in India. They say that, I'll try and interpret it. It says, when I was dying, nobody came, and nobody even came to say goodbye to my my burial. And now that I'm doing well, I'm looking like the Empress. Everybody has something to ask for or something to want. They want to fight for my attention and come offering me all kinds of goodies, especially now that they see that I've made it on my own. So again, Spirit is saying, basically giving you the same message, that be very mindful of the people who've broken your trust, your heart. Even if they come fighting for your attention, Aries, be mindful, because right now in November you are going to be sitting pretty with abundance, growth, fertility, and everything that you desire. And this is going to be only of your own doing. This is a solo journey that you have worked hard for. This is a 9 of Pentacles. There's nobody else helping this person tend to the garden. Okay, so what should Aries let go of, Spirit? 2 of Cups. Why should Aries let go of that, Spirit? Yes, feeling that you will never have a true partnership, that you'll always be alone, because I kept harping on the alone bit. Spirit was listening, I think, and saying, hey, don't say that to Aries. Please tell them to let go of this feeling that I'll always be alone, I'll always be left behind, I'll always be outside, I'll never have the warmth of a good partner or a good companion. No. Tell Aries not to feel like that. Let go of this feeling that of lack of love. Okay, so don't think that just because 9 of Pentacles, you can be in a good partnership and still be in the 9 of Pentacles, Aries. That basically means you can take care of yourself without having to depend on somebody else. For love, of course, there's somebody else, I'm sure. That's what Spirit is saying. Yes, otherwise Spirit says it becomes a bit imbalanced. Everything is required. You will be chosen. Don't worry. There is somebody who's going to not be confused where you're concerned. You will be the focus of somebody's attention very soon, and this will be a loving, great partnership. So what, Spirit, will become Aries' biggest blockage? Knight of Cups. Spirit says your biggest blockage is going to be that you're going to be so busy at work that people are going to come and offer you maybe romance or love or whatever, and you won't even see it. It won't even strike you because you're not looking for it. So if you don't reciprocate, Aries, then maybe people will give up trying, right? So Spirit is saying that can become a blockage because people do want to come towards you, charge towards you, but if you block each and every suitor that comes your way or any offer that comes your way, people will start kind of feeling maybe you're not ready, you're not interested, or whatever. So you know what I mean, right? So let's see. How do people see my Aries? Aries will remain Aries. Aries still lot of giving to others. I have so much that the universe has given me. Let me give to left and my right as well, which is a great thing. It's always good to give a little part of what you have to others, because it increases the flow of energy, Aries. But just be mindful not to give to takers. Make sure whoever you're giving to also gives you something in return, even if it's just respect or love or compassion or companionship or anything. Why will people see my Aries gang? Yeah, they see you rebuilding. They see you coming out of, feeling stuck. They see you. People will be gossiping about you, that's for sure. Lot of people will be gossiping about you, Aries, because they are going to see you in the Nine of Cups energy. There'll be lots of gossip around you as to what is Aries doing? What is Aries doing? What are these choices that Aries is making? Because you will be making a lot of choices. Maybe choosing a different place to live, maybe a different profession to go to, maybe buying a new car, or whatever choices, jobs. So people are going to be saying, Aries is making so many choices. My God, I mean, what are they up to? They look really happy. They got all their ducks in a row. So yes, Aries, you will be the center of a lot of attention. So be careful, okay? And what is Spirit, your secret message to my Aries gang? Seven of Cups, lots of opportunities coming towards you, Aries. You will be spoiled for choice here. And my God, I start and end with the same card. Nine of Pentacles. You are going to be a one busy person, Aries, in November, with so many things to do, so many options to choose from, and each of them will actually benefit you in some way or the other, which will make you feel top of the world. Feeling, yes, Nine of Pentacles, Nine of Cups. This is me and I've done it. Okay, so yes, you're showing up as someone who's, wow. All right, Aries, so rest up, sleep a little bit, gather your energy a little bit, because the drive is about to begin. All right, so that's all I have for you, Aries. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.